Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hi everyone, welcome today, the last day of the year, yes. December the 31st, the 31st of 2022. We have here, yes, the Saturday, December the 31st, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. Only two puzzles. Yeah, not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additionals. Let me show you. Yeah. So these 2 days, because tomorrow it will be Sunday, January the 1st. We have no newspaper. What I will do is I will solve the last puzzles of Friday and Thursday. Yes, we have two puzzles, two additionals left with 3 puzzles. Yeah, no puzzles, so I'm disappointed. New puzzles. Yeah. So what I will do is today I will do the Medium Sudoku and the edition of yesterday, the Friday edition. Let me see. The Friday edition, we have here the Friday edition. This is the Thursday edition. Thursday edition, December the 29th. 3 puzzles left. Yeah, same for the Friday edition, but here we have the Friday edition, December the 30th, 2022. Also 3 puzzles left. Well, so we start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 5715. Let me position the camera. Well, okay. 5715. Let me put this here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Yeah, Sudoku Medium has always 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Well, we have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in the third row, yeah. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So the other 2 numbers in the third row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then the 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Then 1, 1, 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. Alright, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the third column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. And now 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. 7. Come on. 2, 2. 1, 1. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this last row. One of the missing number in this last row is number 5. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there in the last row, here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Overlook this one. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here in this row, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have 3 in this first column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 now in the third column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 8 in the third column, the 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And then, let me see. 4 and 6. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. This should be the 3. 3 in this column, first column. 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 8, 8, 8. I'm still thinking. 6. Wow. 8. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. And now the 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. Well. 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this. Oh wait, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. We see a 5 in the column next, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 5 and 8. 7 and 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then yeah. Come on. Yeah. 9. 5. 5. Oh, we already have a 5 here. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 8. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, and a 9. 4, 6, 9. 3 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. And look, We have 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in this box. The 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So one digit left in the last column for number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. How about the 1 in the first row? The 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Can I count? And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright. Okay. Then. 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 1 number left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Alright, thank you again for watching. And later on I will do the other 3 puzzles in the edition of yesterday. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And, well, see you later. Bye-bye for now.